Is your turbocharged engine suddenly feeling sluggish and triggering a P022F code on your dashboard? You might be dealing with a charge air cooler bypass control B circuit high condition. This generic powertrain diagnostic code applies to many forced induction vehicles built from 1996 and newer here in the United States, including popular models from Ford, Chevy, Mazda, and Toyota. Your engine uses a charge air cooler, often called an intercooler, to significantly lower the temperature of the pressurized air coming from your turbocharger or supercharger. Cooler air is denser, which allows for a much more efficient air and fuel mixture, giving you better gas mileage and more horsepower. The bypass valve is a mechanical flap that opens to let air completely bypass the intercooler, dumping it into the atmosphere or recycling it, depending on exactly what the engine control module demands. The letter B simply indicates a specific part of this control circuit on your specific vehicle. When your engine computer detects that the electrical voltage within this bypass control circuit is reading abnormally high, it instantly logs this trouble code. The symptoms are generally quite noticeable. You will see a check engine light, and you will likely experience very poor engine performance. In many cases, the computer will aggressively force the vehicle into a sluggish limp mode to protect the engine from damage. You might also notice engine misfires and a sharp drop in your overall fuel economy. The root cause is very often a mechanical failure, such as the bypass valve getting physically stuck open or closed due to heavy carbon buildup or a broken internal spring. However, it can also be an electrical issue, like a severely damaged wiring harness running near the hot turbo piping, heavy green corrosion inside the electrical connector pins, a blown fuse, or a failing engine computer. If you want to troubleshoot this in your driveway, you need to first locate the bypass valve, which is usually mounted directly on the hard charge piping leading to the intercooler in your front bumper or under the hood. Perform a thorough visual inspection of the valve and its wiring harness. Look for any wires that have chafed against the metal engine components, or melted from the extreme underhood heat. If you have an advanced scan tool, you can digitally command the valve to open and close while physically watching the mechanical linkage. If the valve refuses to move and nothing is physically blocking it, the valve itself is likely dead. Working around high-pressure turbocharger systems can be intimidating. If your visual inspection does not reveal an obvious broken wire, or if you do not have a bidirectional scanner to properly test the valve movement, you should absolutely take your car to a trusted mechanic. Driving a turbocharged car while it is stuck in limp mode is frustrating and potentially harmful to your engine. A professional can quickly isolate the electrical fault or replace the jammed valve so you can get your horsepower back.